Hey everyone! Today, I want to tell you about something I've been using for a few weeks now. It's called Larineco. It's not just any chewing gum. It's actually a science-backed gum that whitens your teeth, strengthens enamel, reduces pain, and freshens your breath, all in one little piece. At first, I thought it was just a cool idea. But after using it daily, I saw real results. My mouth feels cleaner, and my teeth feel stronger. How does Larineco work? So how does a piece of gum help your teeth? It's all about the ingredients inside. Larineco has this powerful mineral called Nano Hydroxyapatite. It's the same stuff your teeth are made of. When you chew the gum, those tiny particles fill in cracks and weak spots in your enamel, kind of like patching up small holes. There's also Mastic, which keeps your breath fresh, and Xylitol, which fights the bad bacteria that cause cavities. Chew it, and let the gum do the work. Features and benefits of Larineco. Let me break down the biggest things I noticed. Stronger teeth. My enamel feels solid now. I don't feel that weak zing when I drink cold stuff anymore. Less sensitivity. I used to flinch with ice cream. Not anymore. Whiter smile. After 2 to 3 weeks, my teeth look a few shades brighter, and I drink coffee daily. Fresh breath. Lasts for hours, not minutes. Natural ingredients. No harsh chemicals. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. Even my dentist was impressed during my last visit. How to use Larineco? Super easy. Just chew one piece after meals or whenever you feel like freshening up. I personally chew 2 to 3 times a day, usually after coffee and lunch. Each piece tastes minty and refreshing, not too strong, not too sweet. It also helps with saliva production, which is great if you deal with dry mouth. No extra effort. Just chew and go. Larineco pros and cons. Here's my honest take. Pros. Actually strengthens teeth. Helps whiten naturally. Fights cavities and bad breath. All natural ingredients. Super easy to use daily. Safe for kids and adults. Cons. You need to use it daily to see full results. Not available in stores, you have to order online. Some might find the price high if you're on a tight budget, but it's worth it. Price and amp. Where to buy Larineco? You can only get Larineco from their official website. Here are the deals I saw. Buy one, get one free for $29.99. Buy two, get two free for $59.99. Buy three, get three free for $89.99. Buy four, get four free for $119.99 plus free shipping. So if you're like me and want to save money, going for the bigger bundle is the best deal. They also have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Conclusion of Larineco. So, is Larineco worth it? Yes, 100% yes. I honestly didn't expect a piece of gum to change my oral health, but here I am, stronger teeth, no sensitivity, and fresher breath all day. If you're tired of mouthwash, whitening kits, or toothpaste that doesn't deliver, Larineco is worth trying. It's safe, simple, and it works. Thanks for watching my Larineco review. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.